In this video, I will reveal 3 reasons why you should not take the One Funnel Away challenge. More after the intro. In this video, I'll be going over 3 reasons why you should not take the One Funnel Away challenge. Now, before I do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're growing right here. I want you guys to be part of the OG community, right? We're going to bring this channel up in the next year or two, probably to 20, 30, 40,000. That's my goal. Now, if you want to subscribe right now and be a part of it, I'm going to give you all the no BS tricks and ways to make money online with affiliate marketing, funnel building, copywriting, email marketing. That's really what I really want to help you all do here on my channel. So if you have questions, leave them in the comments. I want to make content that you have. I'm going to continue to recommend products that will help change your future. And One Funnel Away challenge is one of them. Hopefully you've seen a few of reviews of mine already on it. If you're new and you don't know what I'm talking about, One Funnel Away challenge is basically a 30-day all-in-one encompassing program where you get help from experts in funnel building, experts in copywriting, experts in coaching and mentality and mindset, and then also you get technical support for those who needed it, like me. Now, this is not just some kind of run-of-the-mill program. This is pretty intensive, I will say, and it's not going to be for everybody, because I think more than anything, there's the whole workbook with it. There's 30 days of it, and we're going to just go ahead and jump in for the reasons why you should not get this, okay? So the first one is, to be honest, I don't know why that turned out that way. To be honest, the first one is probably, pretty simple, right? If you're lazy. So if you're lazy, there's really no point in starting this. The reason being is because it's not going to take 5 minutes every day. If you just want to get that endorphin feeling from buying something, sure, you can buy it, whatever. But a lot of people buy courses in education that they just never even do, which, I'm guilty. I've done that before too, but the thing is, it's just like a college education, really. Actually, you're learning from people that are actually doing it in the field. A lot of times you go to college and you take a marketing course from someone who went to college and became a teacher right after that. And why does that not resonate with me very well? It's because they've never had any in-life experience doing what they're teaching. And so a lot of times, I almost take these courses a lot more seriously than I did when I was in college. Not only because I'm passionate about it, I love it. I learned from something new from every single training I do, but obviously it's from someone who's making it, right? And there's a lot of people that pretend to make it, but then there's people you obviously know are doing well. So if you're lazy, don't do this, because it does take anywhere from, it's about an hour a day. I would say that at least an hour of you sitting down learning, and then because they have homework assignments, you actually have to go and do. And that's the cool part about it. It encourages engagement. It encourages taking action, which, if you remember, the 3 things in my channel is you need to learn, you need to create, and then you will earn. If you just learn, you're never going to earn. So if you're lazy, don't take it. Number 2 is if you have no need to, right? So some people want to learn side income hustles and all that stuff. They want to learn this digital world, but they're not really willing to even put in the time and effort to learn what is a funnel, to learn what is copywriting, right? And so if you're not even in the right mindset, if you're kind of this is one thing I think, I don't even know if I'm going to spell this right, but pessimism. Let's just say if you're not optimistic, how about that? Because it takes time. These things, you need to be patient to learn. And it takes time because you're going to actually fail forward, right? You're going to do your first funnel and you're going to have a bunch of problems with it, and you're going to learn and reach out to support. Support is my best friend for all of these different softwares. With my email autoresponder, I'm literally always on support. I'm like, hey, how do you do this? How do you do that? Because I am interested to learn, right? So if you're not optimistic, I'll just say that, right? And number 3 is if, like I said, we already said lazy. This one is if you're not optimistic. And if you don't, I think one big thing is this. A lot of people see that it's only $100 and they think, man, that can't be Like, why is it not very much money? You know, it must not be very action packed. It must not be a very valuable course. Just because a course is not $2,500 or $1,000 or $5,000, it does not mean that it doesn't have value in it, right? The whole purpose of the One Funnel Away Challenge, it's so packed with value. It teaches you, you know, how the secrets. It teaches you offer hacking. It teaches you email marketing. It teaches you how to create copy or words on a funnel that actually convert. It teaches you what are hooks. It teaches you funnel strategies. It teaches you how to share your funnel. What is a squeeze page? What's a one-time offer? It teaches you how to do a members area. It teaches you how to get traffic. All these things are on there. And the only reason it's $100 is because the goal of ClickFunnels here is to have you use their software. So if they can, a lot of the problem is sometimes people create amazing software, but people don't know how to use it. And so the reason that this is only $100 is because they give all this value in hopes that you will be a lifetime customer of ClickFunnels. So that's kind of their game plan, right? So number 3, and so bear with me, is just if you're not wanting to do this long term, there's a lot of people, and I was kind of like this years ago, where if we scroll down here, you know, I would be like, man, I love affiliate marketing. I'm learning all this stuff and I'm happy. That's supposed to be a happy face, right? And then all of a sudden I get some ads on YouTube. I get some videos recommended to me about Amazon FBA. Amazon, right? I'm like, oh, what's this? Start learning about that, putting my hours into that. And then I'm like, oh, I'm happy. You know, I'm going to do this instead. All of a sudden someone's like, day trading. If you're just floating around, basically, from here and there, and you're not wanting to do this long term, like, yes, put in your due diligence, learn about these things. You can do them, right? Day trading you can do, Amazon FBA you can do. For me, affiliate marketing has been the only thing that I've tried that I've been successful at. And so I went all in on this. And my long-term vision is, you know, 5 or 10 years down the road. What can I get done? How many people can I help? And that's my long-term vision. But if you're just wanting to kind of dabble in this and just, you know, try it for a week and see if you can make some money, I would not recommend purchasing the One Funnel Away Challenge. The reason being is because all this information will help you in the long term, will help you build an actual brand, will help you make a funnel that converts. If you're not planning on even like trying for very long, maybe like a month, or we'll just see how it goes, you know, you got to have a long-term plan. A lot of people don't make money with affiliate marketing right away. There's a lot of people that I look up to in the affiliate marketing space or content creation that took them 6 or 7 months to get their first income. Like one of my favorite marketers he's on my Mount Rushmore marketing. His name is Peng Joon. Peng Joon. It's kind of an interesting name, right? Let's see if it works. So Peng Joon is one of my favorite marketers. He's been around for a long time, but he didn't get his first commission for like 7 months. So he was trying all this online stuff and it didn't work for a long time. And now he's famous. Like on Instagram, he has over 1 million people. On YouTube, so it takes time. It takes trial and error. It takes patience and a long-term vision, and that's what he had. He went from some dude who played like 14 hours of World of Warcraft a day to, you know, making millions of dollars with Facebook ads and organic content creation. He owns his own company. And so the sky's the limit, but if you don't have a long-term mindset, this course is not worth your time. It's not worth your $100. I mean, it's super worth it if you actually did it. But so here's the 3 things why you should not do this. If you're lazy, just leave. I don't even know why you're on my channel if you're lazy, to be honest. Number 2, if you're not optimistic, if you kind of are just always down about everything, like that's why in the beginning it says why not how. You know, how they talk about belief as well, because a lot of people don't even get started because they don't even have a vision of success anyways. They're like, oh, I'm going to do this, and I doubt I'll even succeed, but we'll just see how it goes. You got to be optimistic. You got to think, wow, you know, this is awesome. And then if you're not long term. So if you're any of those 3 people, get out of here. But One Funnel Away Challenge is probably not for you. If you are not these things and you are looking forward to building an income online, then make sure you check out the link down below. Get that for $100. You won't regret it. And then also look for some of my affiliate marketing training down below and the free workshop. So we'll thank you so much, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.